How to fix sound problem on Pinterest app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna let you guys know how can you fix sound issue on your Pinterest app. To fix the sound problem on the Pinterest app, you could always go ahead and check your device's volume settings. So make sure to tap on the sidebar button and letting it increase the volume as well. They should be able to fix it. So, and likewise, you could also check for an update. So sometimes outdated version can hamper this sort of issue. So you want to go ahead and exit out of the Pinterest, go to the Play Store, and once you go to Play Store, on the search box you want to type in Pinterest and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. After which you could try login and see whether the issue has been solved or not. If not, you could go ahead and then clear cache as well as browser. For that, you want to long press the Pinterest application, go to app info section, after which you want to go to storage and cache, and then you want to go ahead and click on clear cache as well as storage. Once you do it, so you want to go to the permission as well. Sometimes if you have not enabled permissions such as microphone and all that, this can also lead to such issue. So make sure to enable the permission and all that, and they should be able to fix the issue all at once. If that's not the case, you could try reinstalling the Pinterest app at the same time, restart your device, and it should be able to fix the issue at once. So that's the way you could fix your sound problem on Pinterest. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.